Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Today is Christmas Eve and we from Forex Peace Army wish you all the best in the coming year and spend your time. It's Christmas time with your family. They definitely deserve it, and let the warm atmosphere, the lovely atmosphere with your close ones will provide you support and inspiration for the whole coming year, and it will be good and prosperous. So all the best to you. Well, speaking on the market, still on the gold market, situation stands surprisingly active compared to the last week. And if you remember, the last week market was mostly boring, and we were focusing on the forex market mostly because on the gold markets was absolutely stagnation. So nothing really was going on here. Currently, the situation is changing as market is entering in the Christmas time. Guys, personally, I feel, I don't know, it's some kind of the gut feeling, but I feel that something is going on, because take a look at the stock indexes in the United States and you'll see this. S&P, Dow Jones is rising. It's just crazy. So take a look. I will show you. Here is S&P. This is daily chart, 4-hour time frame chart, intraday session with the recent few sessions. Let's take a look what's going on here. Dow Jones, the same story. Now take a look at the Japan index, Nikkei. It is falling in the last few days. The same story for the DAX index. As you can see, it's also falling. Here's, by the way, I'm watching for this one. Personally, I'm trading on the European stocks and options markets, and that's one of my major trading directions. Objective of this market is DAX and Stocks 50, so that's why I'm closely watching for them, and that's the divergence. But what I really would like to say, take a look that now simultaneously gold market is rising and stock indexes are rising. This is not normal situation. So investors either know something or preparing to something. Maybe it will not happen just after the holidays and before the New Year, or in the beginning of the New Year in the January. Maybe not. But this kind of action, guys, it's really curious. So when the demand stands as for stocks as for gold. Anyway, currently we are watching for the gold. Take a look. Market is breaking the confidence resistance right now. It's really very important, and it's breaking the flag pattern that potentially should be bearish, but it's breaking it up. And it means that this retracement probably is over. It's coming to the upside. Next target, guys, that we will be watching is the XOP at 15 even. Currently, it's definitely maybe not the moment for taking the short-term bullish trades. Traders who are trading on the gold market or keep it for the year, for a long-term perspective, you could consider taking the long position currently. But for the short-term traders who trade on the daily intraday charts, maybe it makes sense to wait a bit for some retracement. But overall, this action and its early reversal up, situation has changed drastically on the gold. You remember last week we said, well, what will happen if market will turn earlier here and starts dropping? But instead of that, market has turned earlier to the upside. No reaching of this support line, and now is breaking and challenging this resistance. So this is really important moment. Also, guys, I would like to show you an interesting picture. If you'll take a look at gold market in euro, this is daily chart, guys. Take a look what we have. Sideways consolidation, drop, wash and rinse of these lows, and sharp upside reversal. This is very important. Besides, here I would suggest that no, probably also has not quite completed. I mean the ABCD pattern that we have on the dollar chart is probably here is also is not quite reached. But yes, you can see this ABCD pattern is completed here But probably I just watched for that yesterday, and I have found that something's really is completed here. Yes, probably that the large ABCD pattern that is not completed on the dollar, on the euro, is being completed by this spike down. You can see this ABCD is completed. Now market's turning up. So this is really bullish sign, bullish price of action, and it's really very important and significant. By taking a look at the intraday charts, here I could provide you just some interesting trading line analysis, because on the extensions we already set and estimated that XOP is 15 even, OP has been reached, market is going to the XOP, breaking this challenge, so breaking this level. So currently maybe it not makes sense to take the long right here because market still stands under resistance, but take a look what's going on. This is long-term support, natural support resistance area, which separates lower area below this and upper area of this large triangle consolidation that actually has been broken. Now take a look what has happened. The market has challenged once, twice, third time. Now it's breaking up. As the long-term trend line here, as it entering back inside of this range, so market is coming inside of the 1480, 1550 trading range back. And it means that we should be ready for a possible upward action as well here. Maybe this is just a preparation for some uncertainty that could be in the Christmas time, because a lot of moment stands around, so this could be again the problems with the budget as usual. United States, some impeachment and turmoil that stands in the market, so surprises could be. So maybe it's just insurance for possible events that could happen in the holidays. But still, this price action that has started right before the Christmas, and the fact that gold market is rising with the stock market, this is really things to think about. I see here something really important moment. So that's what we have currently on the gold market. It means that situation is changing, and it seems that market turning into bullish action. This is first moment. Second moment, currently it's not time to take the position yet, because we're at the thin market right at the confidence resistance on the daily. We need to see and get some pullback, but we think that situation gradually is changing here.